How to mute iPhone without the side button. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can mute iPhone without a side button. So let's get started. So if your side button is not working, what you can do is you can create another shortcut way which you can use to mute your iPhone. That is, open up your settings, head over to accessibility, it's right under general. After you're there, scroll down till you find the touch. It's under physical and motor section. Tap on touch, and there you'll find something called your assistive touch. Tap on that and turn it on. After you turn it on, you will see this little black circle come around on your screen. All you have to do is tap on it, tap on device, and there you'll see an option to mute your iPhone. So tap on mute, and you'll have turned on your silent mode, and again tap on unmute to turn it off again. And it's basically that simple. And yeah, you can also change your volume from here up and down. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.